Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the speaker problem in your device Vivo Y21G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the speaker, like the sound of the speaker or any other such speaker issue, you can solve it by the method that I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the speaker problem in your device. Let's watch it.